Pity. You really spoke from your heart, and we feel so happy that say our St. Xavier's family had done immense good, and that you'll be part of these institutions, although you will not be physically present here. Now we have our Sasanjay, who is really so energetic. Once I still remember one episode in which one child fell down and he was bleeding very profusely. And then after that, all the two boleros were not there. And then after that, I also went and started the bolero, and that day the ambulance also did not start. I was at a loss. At the time, when I did not know what to do, I saw Sir Sanjay already carrying the child in his arms and already racing towards the pharmacy. That was his presence of mind. And Sir Sanjay would say he's so full of initiative and so enterprising or full of confidence. Suppose we say, Sir Sanjay, let's stand for election, he will say, come on, let's go for it. He has that much of courage to go for it. And we are also doing some project which we are yet to finalize. Things the principal alone cannot manage, so we are trying to put up some Binay printing softboard all along the tin sheet that we put up near the hall or the verandas of the hall. Sir Sanjay has taken a lot of initiative to install that, and also in memory of Jubin Da, on the wall, beautiful pictures are being displayed, and the scouts and guides also kept alive because of his really enthusiasm. So thank you, Sir Sanjay, and we'd love to hear your sharing, your thoughts, and we wish you all the best.
Good afternoon, one and all. Respected Principal Father Joshua, Vice Principal Sister Regina, and my dear co-workers. Today I stand here and definitely it is not easy to say goodbye. But I'm going to start my new journey. So that's why it's just beginning of new chapter. My journey at St. Xavier's School began in August 2023, so it's been on almost 3 years. And from that very first day till today, these institutions have given me a lot of lessons, life lessons, a family-like environment, learning place, and countless beautiful memories, as Father said, especially in Scout and Guides. So when in the first year I joined at the school, Father Thais gave me the responsibility of Scout and Guide, and on that very first day, me, Miss Pranamika One, Sir Lazarus now joined with us. We had spent so beautiful memories regarding the training, practices, and also the campaign in Scout and Guides. And on that, during this tenure, I have learned a lot of things, especially the time management, because in Campuri we don't have time. From the morning 5 o'clock till 11, 12 o'clock, we have to be busy with the students, we have to sleep with the students. So at the time, definitely it was very hectic. Obviously the father principal also have so many, we are very tense because 70, 80 students we have taken from the school, and all the students have responsibility 24/7. So I also thank Father Principal to believe in us, and also the things we have tried to give the students, that is give also us a very life lessons. At last, I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal, Father Joshua, for his constant guidance and encouragement in leadership. Your Father, your support has always motivated me and always helped me to give my best. And I equally thank Sister Regina for her understanding and support throughout my journey. So whenever I do some mistakes, Sister taught me and I learned from her. So definitely it will help me a lot for the another journey. To my fellow teachers, thank you for your cooperations and your friendships and for your supports and give me a positive environment you have created. I will always cherish the moment I have spent with you, definitely. Though I am moving on a new chapter, a part of my heart will always remain here at St. Xavier's School, and definitely I will always remind this moment, and it will always remain in my heart that these institutions have given me so much that it will help me to growth in my life. Thank you for all being such an important part of my life. Thank you very much to one and all of you.
To Madam Sunita, okay, I thought she was to perform an item. Okay, teachers, we also wish all of you all the best during the holidays time. Then after that, we meet again on 27th April. Okay, 27th April at 9 o'clock. As we have already said, 27th April, all should be there because in order to get April month salary, the first day is very important, except those people who have already taken the prime permission much ahead of time, except one or two have taken prime much ahead of time. Otherwise, we expect all of you to be there. So we shall partake the little refreshment that is being there and continue to share our thoughts and create memories. Please proceed ahead.
All the best. See you once again. Meet you in Bali.